Hello everyone, Luke Rice. Luke Rice is back. What you're about to learn is a very interesting part of the E90. So we'll get into it. This is for the service reset light. Let's get into it. Thanks for watching everybody at Luke Rice. You can see the system on the E90 series. It's nice that you can actually change and reset the service indicator. It's not easy. Once you've done it enough times, it makes sense, and it's nice you can actually do it with the engine running, so at least the alternator is charging the battery.
Cool.
While you reset the service indicator, which is pretty useful. Yeah. See if Luke Rice can drink his coffee. Can he drink his coffee? Yeah, he drinks his coffee. Brilliant. Yeah.
It's showtime.
Hello everyone at Luke Rides. This is an interesting and dedicated video for you on how do you reset the service indicator, brake fluid indicator, and any other indicators. So we're going to break this down into multiple videos because this BMW is very complicated. So what's really nice, this model has the iDrive system from that time, from 2006, and amazing, the best entertainment system Luke Rides has ever met on any car. He has been in Audis, he's been in Mercedes-Benz. The iDrive system and BMW, when you're a driver, when you're driving, makes total sense in having the control module here. So what you can do, first of all, keys in ignition. Luke Rides has found to do this, you now need to engage the clutch. If this is a manual model, which this is, hit the engine start. Wait for the display here to settle down. Make sure you're in neutral. Hold the reset stalk in the bottom left hand corner of your display, and then the triangle is going to appear, and then it's going to give you these menus here. These are the menus you can now go through. Servicing indicator, press the BC button. In this module you now get a choice of selecting the actual month and date for your next service. Whoa. And then using the stalk, so using the stalk, you'll hit the BC button, your month is selected, and then you'll use the thummy up and down buttons here to change the months. If you're happy with the months, press the BC button again. Change the year, use the up and down toggle on the stalk. Change the year to as far as you like, and then hit the BC and then reset. It's just BMW make this fucking complicated. But it's kind of nice that you have that ability. I mean, that's the way to look at it, that BMW have given you the ability to reset the service indicator. Thanks for watching everybody at Luke Rice. So what you're about to learn here today is the E90 series of BMW 3 Series between 2006 to 2011 roughly. E90 series, what you're about to learn is how to reset the brake fluid indicator for the E90 series. So we'll get into that and get some filming on. Yeah! Well, thanks for watching everybody at Luke Rides. It's nice that you can also reset the brake fluid indicator while the engine's running, which means the alternator is charging the battery, so you can reset the brake fluid indicator without having to drain your battery. So that's pretty good. and a few button presses in the right order. Pretty straightforward to do, and yeah, pretty useful.
The way we.
The little rascal has spirit. As water.
This is the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Thank you, kid.
So, can Luke Christ drink the coffee? He can. Brilliant.